So it's been raining here in Dickinson the last couple days, and I'm soaked. It's been wet, and I love it, but I'm wet, and I just got home, and I'm gonna make me some stuffed biscuits and gravy with some cheese, and I'm gonna eat it good. I tell you what. I used buttermilk this time in preparing these biscuits. Buttermilk and water, and they're a little gelatinous, so I mean, they're not the same firmness that, like when you follow the, we just use half a cup of water, but we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. Right, here we are with them stuffed biscuits and gravy. Putting a little finishing touch right here with a little bit of, yeah, I know it's not fresh ground, so meh. Stuffed biscuits and gravy with a hash brown. Ah, thank you, God. I can't wait to dig into this. I'm going to eat it so good, you don't even know.